All right, let's talk about the Mobile Hacking Launchpad. It's a one-of-a-kind cybersecurity training ground.
This whole program, it's your path to becoming a certified mobile Appsec expert.
So, ready to level up? This entire ecosystem is designed to get you there. Let's dig in.
Yeah, this isn't just about theory. You're actually going to attack real-world apps in a live environment.
And hey, you can learn at your own pace. The videos are on demand, so you can rewatch anytime.
Your lab has two parts. You'll analyze the app locally, and then you'll hit its backend remotely.
And get this, your personal lab, it's spun up for you with just a single click. How cool is that?
To succeed here, you gotta think like a hacker. Every single API call is a potential door in.
And there's a secret to it all. A professional 5-step process that guides you through every challenge. It starts with prep, moves through analysis, then API interception, and bam, the final exploitation.
You'll use that methodology on 10 different challenges, hitting both the app and its infrastructure. Now, this is not a capture the flag competition. You're not chasing flags. You're submitting proof of concepts.
So how are you scored? Well, a whopping 80% is just pure technical skill. Did you solve it?
And the other 20%, that's all about your reporting and, a little bit of creativity.
So there are some clear rules. Asking for help is good. Plagiarism or breaking stuff is definitely not.
So what will you master? The fundamentals, for sure. We're talking static and dynamic analysis here.
Plus, you get real hands-on time with tools like Frida, Burp Suite, Ghidra, the essentials.
It all builds up to this, CMA readiness. Basically, it proves you're ready for that expert certification.
So, good luck, analyst. Your first target, the eCards and Keys app, is officially waiting for you.